with new Scope Squeeze mount.
Everybody put your drinks up right now!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We have consumer confidence coming out right now, guys. Look at that spike on NVIDIA. I'm in NVIDIA right now. Oh, baby, we're starting to party off. Easy does it, baby. Easy does it. I'm chilling out right now, waiting and watching here. As you guys see, on NVIDIA, getting a little crazy on me. Guys, I'm about to end in.
Order submitted.
I'm in 1 and 2 long here. Wait.
Order submitted.
Wait, I don't know what just happened.
Order filled.
Okay, wait.
Order filled.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I'm in. I think it's lagging. Guys, bro.
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. 400 on the day, just like that, baby. Big. That's what we do, bro. Okay, I'm still in these. Up $100 on NVIDIA. Boom, baby. Welcome to the show, baby. Welcome to the party. All right, guys. If you're just tuning in, baby, just trading consumer confidence, still holding NVIDIA. Just made 400 on NQ. Woo! Are we all good? We all set? We all know what's going on? So 400 on the day on NVIDIA, NQ, everything. Yeah, buddy. So holding out NVIDIA right now, guys. Up 122 on it. Woo. Just waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. NVIDIA's on a tear today, guys. Guys, I hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys like the craziness. Sold half there, holding half. 475 is gonna be the stop loss. Alright, guys. So welcome. I hope you guys are printing, profiting, doing amazing on the day. Today's a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an awesome, amazing day, guys. So, we are chilling out, guys. Alright. There we go. We're gonna turn the music down a little bit so we can think a little bit. Alright, guys? We all good with that? Cool. So, guys, what did I just trade? What was the game plan? So, I traded the consumer confidence that just came out. I think that's exactly what it was. 400 on the day on it. Account up to 50, 70, 12. You can continue to trade this as long as the S&P rips. You just gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Still holding half of NVIDIA, about 20 shares of it. And, yeah, man. So, that's basically where we're at. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed that trade. Hopefully you guys are printing, baby. Anyone else making a couple bones here and there, huh? Anyone else hold calls into that consumer confidence meeting? Anyone any long-term plays that just jumped up due to it? My long-term holds probably just went a little bit crazier. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Yep, up about 2% on them today, long-term wise. So chilling out, guys. I also took a penny stock trade this morning of ICCT. ICTT wasn't a bad penny stock play. You know. So those are my fills there. 200 shares, like I said, nothing crazy. It wasn't, you know, it was like $40 play. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I'll be 100% honest, nothing crazy. So yeah, that's my order box. And yeah, man, so nothing wild there, guys. Nothing too wild. Pushing up to new highs now, above 477, ladies and gentlemen. I'm holding these last 20 out. Just going to let them ride out. All right, if we want to push up to 479, maybe we want to go near the 500s today. I'm in on 20 shares, $30 a share. Dude, I'll take it. Hey, baby, I'll take it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome to the party, baby. Welcome to the party. Coming in, punching the trades with you guys. Woo. Going to look at a, let me show you it. All right. Like I said, I'm no pro golfer. All right, but I'll show you it. Let's see this here, guys. Hold up. I'm just letting this thing ride, ladies and gentlemen. I'm actually, hold on. Before I show you this, it's a driver I was going to show you guys. I want to take another, maybe NQ put, call contract. If S&P wants to break to the top side of its bull flag. So here's this. Going to load that up for you guys. Bring that up to like right there. It's still ripping and running these plays now. Guys, starting to really get there. Look at NQ, ladies and gentlemen. 477.92. Want to see the 478 break? Ladies and gentlemen, looking to get in one contract. Starting to break that high. I want to see it break out here. Has to break out here.
Order filled.
Build in on the order. In one long NQ. Want to see it go from red to green here. Back above 15,234. I think it can. That's only why I'm trading one though. One contract here to see if we can get back to the top side here. And spike and rip and run above these points here, ladies and gentlemen. So waiting and watching here. Waiting and watching. Starting to climb back up. NQ starting to get there, guys. NVIDIA now breaking 478. Starting to push the top side, guys. So waiting and watching now. Ladies and gentlemen, waiting and watching. Almost want to get filled here on a dip buy. Not going to now. Not going to. Gonna wait it out. Gonna wait it out now, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna wait it out. I just want to wait and see. Okay? So I want to watch, wait, and see these plays here. See if it can spike back above. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. Still ripping and running, guys. S&P still climbing to new highs. Gonna force NQ to go. NQ going to new highs, ladies and gentlemen. Pushing new highs here. Pushing new highs, NQ. Wait and watch, see if NQ can get a spike.
Order filled.
Okay, took it out there. Another 115, guys. Another 115. Another light 115, baby. Huh? There you go. So like I said, I hope you guys are profiting. Up right now, 90. I'm holding 20 shares, guys, of, what is it, NVIDIA. NVIDIA first big pullback might sell out here. 477 new stop loss. 477 new stop loss. Instead of 470, what was it, 476? 475? New stop loss is 477. All right, guys, like I was saying, I was going to look at it. I'm going to go look at a new driver. Yeah, man. It should be pretty. I'm going to look at it's a Callaway Road, all right? For you guys that don't golf, you're probably like, YB, I don't care about your driver. For some of you that golf, maybe you're like, hey, YB, that's a good driver. I don't know. Like I said, let me hit the YouTube with a good old yeah, buddy. Anyone watching over on YouTube, hope you're having a grand time. Oh shoot, that's my channel. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, buddy. Hope you guys are all having a grand, good old time, baby. Spiking right back up to it. I want to see it break those highs again. I'm chilling out here on NQ. So, woo! I want to see it break higher there on NQ, S&P, NVIDIA. I want to see them just keep going, baby. This market's getting a bit rowdy. This is the market we like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Is that not true? These are the markets we love to see. We love to see them. We love them to, rip, run, spike on us. Woo. We're chilling out. Chilling out. I want to see that green come in on NVIDIA again. Like I said, 477 stop loss. What's up, Forbes? Hope you're printing today, profiting. That's a good driver. I have the Tillis TS2, and I like that a lot. Okay, there we go. There we go. So yeah, I mean, yeah, what is it here? I'll see if I can give you guys a picture here. It looks pretty good. I don't know, you know, right now I think I'm using, actually, oh my gosh, dude, guys, I'm so mad at myself. I accidentally broke my driver, like I said. So yeah, listen, YB, are you bad? Did you actually make the floor? I was hitting, I mean, listen, I don't shoot no 300, 400 yarders, okay? I'm thinking in between like 150 to like 250 max, right? Like that's max. I'm not, you know, I'm probably, I don't have like all the technology. I don't do all that. I just like playing. So let's see here. Hold on. Let me bring up my, let me pull it up for you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, SMP looking like it wants to go for another round. Another round, bro. So we are chilling on the day. Ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, guys. NVIDIA on another push, rip and run. Okay, hold on. There we go. All right, how do I show you? Hold on, let me bring up my OBS. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Pretty good looking driver. Pretty good looking. Good driver. What is the, here, let me look this up. Tillis TS2. Now listen, I wonder, because I went to Dick's yesterday, Dick's Sporting Good. I went there, and I was like, hey, like, do you have any left hands in? They're like, oh, I'm not sure, like, you just got to go take a look. And I was like, okay, yeah, no problem. So I went to go take a look or whatever, and I was like, oh, okay, here's one. I picked it up. Dude, let's just say, that driver was probably as much as I bought my entire set for, man. Listen, just starting out, I'm not trying to invest too much money into it. It was like a $700-800 driver. I was like, what? Because, you know, they have, like, top-of-the-line, brand-new stuff. I'm like, I went, okay, yeah, I think just not today. And he was like, oh, understandable. I was like, dang, that is crazy, bro. I'm like, this world is so expensive now. Red to green on the video, pretty nice, but yeah. So, not a bad driver here. Let me look up this one, though. Oh, there you go. There you go, Forbes. That's a sexy driver. That's a good-looking one. Yeah, being left-handed, it's so hard to find. Dude, it's so hard. It's hard to find. You know, I'll go to the pro shop, look around, and they don't got nothing. All right, they don't got nothing for me. They're like, I don't know, man. Oh, I did just pick up a new glove. So, yeah, there we go. New glove. My old one broke. Well, kind of broke. It's just getting a little fidgety. So. What's up, Trade? What is it? What's up, Stock? I'm hoping to start golf lessons this winter, so I'll help the boys out. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Yeah, I wanna get some golf lessons as well, cause I'm all self-taught, baby, and nothing wrong with it. I just know if I gotta golf, if I got a coach, man. Oh, I'd be. If anyone's in the PA area, hit me up. You know, hit me up. Yeah, I feel like it'd be great. I like it, dude. I've run about, like I said, like maybe 90 to 100. You know, that's what I'm shooting right now. That's what you know, nothing crazy. I think Deck's on par. I think he's probably around 70s. Hey, mini golf wise though, ran a mini golf yesterday, guys. Guess what I got? Yeah, I was doing good. I had the sheet, so I was on par up until like literally like the 14th hole, 15th hole. Bro, I ran 3 6s back to back to back, bro. It was mini golf, but it was crazy. Back to back to back, and then right back on par. It was like, okay, 2 2 2 3 3, and then 3 6s back to back to back. And I was like, okay. I was like, okay, sure, work. So yeah, buddy. Get a good old trade caster golf session. Go hit it up at the driving range. Yeah, buddy. Loving it. I think NVIDIA is going to keep going in a little bit of a way. I think NVIDIA can keep spiking, ripping, running, breaking above 479. And we'll see. Yeah, that would be lit. Yeah, I feel like it would. I feel like it'd be pretty fun. I'm pretty sure when they had the last seminar, they did a Top Golf session, which is pretty cool. But what is it? Yeah, I mean, run it up. I've actually never been to Topgolf. Isn't that crazy? The nearest one's like an hour and a half away from me. I just driving range is maybe 20 minutes if I really want to just go, you know, hit some dingers. So it's like, all right, I don't know what the difference is. You know, what? You guys get what I'm saying. So chilling out, guys. So chilling. Traded some penny stocks today. Nothing crazy. Up like $40 on it. Chilling out right now. Took some profit last time. Up right now on this account. Right around, well, whatever this would be, I guess. So 110. And then up futures 5 something. 515. I'm pretty sure I said. 515, baby. Guys, we are loving it, baby. All right, so we're doing great, guys. We are doing amazing. We love to see it. I think I might even call it a day. I don't like calling it a day. I don't like looking at numbers, guys. That's not what matters to me. It's how I feel. And it's like, okay, that's so dumb, YB. It's like, no, genuinely, if you're up like 7,000 on the day, right? Okay, listen, that means that maybe today's a good day, right? And now if the market slows down, that's a lot different. The market slows down, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Guys, I might take another quick trade on NQ. One contract only. One contract is what we've been doing. One contract only, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and watching here. Waiting and watching to see if we're going to get the breakout, rip and run, or if we're going to pull back. Just broke that new high. Look at that U-shaped pattern, new high there. I want NVIDIA to keep going here at least. I don't have to get in here. I'm already up 515 on the day on futures. I don't have to. I'm completely fine with not getting in. But NVIDIA looks like it can start to really break out here. Guys, pushing that high again.
Order
Guys,
filled.
in real quick on another NQ. Seeing if we get that new high, rip, run, breakout, baby. So not looking for a crazy gain on this. Just looking for a little bit of a breakout here. Pushing 445. Pushing those highs, ladies and gentlemen. Build at 2.5 there. Build at 2.5. 7.5, ladies and gentlemen. Here's that breakout, rip and run we were looking for. Here's that breakout you guys were anticipating there. Let's see if we can continue this push, spike, rip and run there, ladies and gentlemen. So waiting and watching. There she goes, guys.
Order
Gonna
filled.
lock it up. Gonna lock it up. Gonna take my little 85 bucks. Gonna take my little 80 bucks or whatever it was. Guys, trade this how you will. Ladies and gentlemen, another breakout, rip and run. Woo! We are loving it, baby. Oh my goodness, guys. If you guys are trading right now, scalp. Scalp, 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 guys. That is what I do. I'm sitting here scalping the crap out of this market. I mean, I'm just riding NVIDIA right now, guys. This is a whole banana squeeze. If this candle spikes, which it very much can, this would be, I'm probably going to screenshot it and use it for a banana squeeze lesson. All right, so just for everyone in here to know, this is a perfect banana squeeze if this candle spikes and rips and runs. Oh, a little bit of a pullback. We're going to see. If this thing, because this thing comes up here, you get your breakout and boom, we start to really break out. That's what a real banana squeeze is, right? You have your higher low, higher low, higher low into the breakout, okay? So that's where we're sitting right now. Loving it, chilling out. Woo! Chilling, 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 guys. We are, I don't know. What are you guys thinking on NVIDIA? NVIDIA, high of the year was so far was what, 500 bucks? High of the year was what? Let me remove the S real quick. 502, but then we immediately dumped all the way down to 470. We dumped $30. So now, are we about to push that high a year? High of 480.88. It's going to be some resistance. Guys, 480.88. Good enough. 1 penny lower. Waiting and watching now, guys. Woo! So, chilling out. I'm already 1 Celsius deep. I didn't get into the office until literally 9:30. I'm not even lying, guys. Like 9:30 hit and I got it. Immediately typed to the oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. S&P still going here, guys. Guys, I might even touch this again. Guys, now we're getting up there, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're getting a bit overextended to the top side. Dude, those long-term plays are going crazy for any of you guys in long-term plays. If you guys have been holding all day, I mean, it's up. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I'm not getting in right now. I think I do want to chill out a little bit on at least on NQ at least being up, you know, 585. I feel as if I can calm down a little bit, but we'll wait and see. Let's see if we push 480, if we push 480, 87. We just gotta break 40 here. if we push 88, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are good to go. You guys will be profiting printing, because then we have a gap, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is break that last dollar, and you have a gap for the entire year, right? It would be a bullish engulfment all the way up to 502, ladies and gentlemen. You are like, we are so close. All right, so I don't know. Do I drink another Celsius today? I'm already one deep. I don't know. Do I drink another Celsius? Not feeling it. I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. Woo. If I whip it out of nowhere, don't be surprised. So yeah, YB's doing good. Yeah, he's only off one energy drink today. Me? Hey, what you doing there? What you doing there, YB? Why'd you go off? Why was there like a slurping noise off camera? Me? Isn't doing anything. Well, I told you guys, I'm only off one today. So that's bound to happen. Don't be surprised. Chilling, 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 guys. Riding this out, ladies and gentlemen. Riding this out on Trade the Pool. Riding this out on NVIDIA. This is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you do it. You ride these out, okay? So amazing, amazing day here. Woo. Amazing, amazing day here. It has a gap to fill overneath this point right here, ladies and gentlemen. Has a gap to fill. Broke it by 3 pennies. We're going to see if it can continue to rip, run, and break out. Loading up NVIDIA on options. I might even trade it on options, guys. I'm looking to hold this, but I'm looking to scalp on options. I'm not going to lie, guys. With the way the market's moving, I don't mind it. Anyone else feel the same way? Market's moving, you don't mind it? Very, very different than yesterday, guys. I will say that 10 a.m. consumer confidence came out. It got crazy. It got crazy, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Got a bit wild when consumer confidence came out. ICCT. We're gonna do ICCT. 305, huh? I traded this down at 293. Just moving sideways, nothing crazy. Okay. I'm gonna load NVIDIA up on the 4-hour again. Excuse me, daily, not 4-hour. Waiting and watching for it to break out, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. Today's been a little bit hotter than yesterday. I'm hoping the market starts to move like this a bit more. Guys, NQ is starting to push back up to the highs. NQ is starting to get there again, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, NQ getting that breakout again, guys. I don't know, man. How are you guys feeling about this market? What are you guys thinking? We break out, rip and run above 41 here. Above 41 here on NVIDIA. We break out, rip and run again on the S&P above 445, go up to 446. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, touching 446. Gotta be cautious, though. Gotta be cautious. You want that green to hold up. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. NVIDIA, you want it to continue to spike, rip, and run now. Needs to get away from this level, 480, 70 level. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. If it can get away from it, guys, now you have a gap to fill up to 500. You now have a gap to fill up to $500 now. Up 170 on it. I've just been holding it out, ladies and gentlemen. Just been holding it out. I might even trade this again here on the S&P if it starts to hold 446 here. Has to start to hold 446 for me to be confident in it. This is wild, ladies and gentlemen. This market is wild, dude. This market is on a tear to the top side, guys. This market is on a tear to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. I almost want to get an NQ on this little pullback right now. Holding 461 is the game plan, though. Starting to hold 461, has to hold it. I don't know. I don't know, man. Up 585 on the day on it. Do I call it a day, ladies and gentlemen, or do I keep trading it? Do I call it a day or keep trading it? Up 170 on trade the pole, excuse me. Woo! So guys, where do you think, ladies and gentlemen, where do you think our topping point is on the S&P? Where do you think our topping point is on Nvidia, on all these blue chips? Where do you think is gonna be the high? Give me a number in the chat. Doesn't matter, it's just your prediction. Obviously, you don't have to be right, you don't have to, you know what I mean? You don't have to be completely right, you don't have to be wrong. I'm not gonna be like, oh, you were wrong, oh, blah, blah, blah. Like, my prediction, I'll give you my prediction. My prediction, honestly, on Nvidia is gonna be, I think we're gonna go near, we're gonna keep breaking out and ripping and running for a while, I think. Genuinely. Now, I could be wrong on this, but we now have a gap to fill up to 500, right? Do you guys see that? A little bit of a gap to fill, right? Up to 500 off of that immediate drop. So I think we could rip all the way up towards that area. Maybe today, we'll see. That would be crazy. S&P, if we go to the 4 hour, now pushing 446. Is there a gap to fill or is it just consumer confidence? We could top out around, what is this high here? 446.81. We could top out around. I could see some resistance in the area of 446.81. So essentially 447. Other than that, I could see upwards of 449. Yep, 449. I was gonna say 448.90, but 449. So what are your guys' thoughts? Let me know. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on it. Woo. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Holding above. How you trade these as well is you just keep adjusting your trailing. You have a trailing stop loss, right? Just keep adjusting it, right? So my new stop loss would be the break of 480.88, excuse me. Coming up to it, guys. I will get out at that break. Oh, it touched it. Sorry, I didn't even peep that. We're gonna see. I will lock up gains at 488.7. There it is, guys. Boom, locked it up, guys. Locked it up there, ladies and gentlemen. 150 on the day on Trade the Pool. My goal is 1,200 on it. I need to hit $1,200. Okay? Word. So that's what we're sitting at right now, ladies and gentlemen. I think we might, and maybe, hey, like I said, we were wrong. I mean, I might have been wrong. So we can see how we're topping out right in this area here. I think, potentially, we could have ripped and ran all the way up to 500 plus. Now, is this sustainable? Look at this gap up, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me if this is sustainable. All right, this doesn't take a genius to see that this is crazy. This gap up here. We gapped up. We started the day off 60 at 460. Guys, we haven't even been open for 2.5 hours. We haven't even been open for an hour, and we're already up $20 on Nvidia. Ladies and gentlemen, that is crazy. All right? So there's that trend line I was seeing. We're going to see if it bounces off that. Bounces off it and continues to push. I mean, yeah, man, Nvidia is a monster. Same with the S&P. You can put an S&P trend line in. Something like that. Getting right up and near it. Or just ride this view up in 50. Look how tight they are. View up in 50, not a bad spot to just ride it out. Okay, so not against it at all, ladies and gentlemen. That's like rolling around in the wind. Me. Woo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are chilling out. Sorry, guys, we're just seeing that there. What's up, Turnt Trader? Hope you're printing today. Hope you're profiting. Hope you are killing it, brother. Today's been a day, man. Today has been a day. I'll say that for sure. NQ pushing these highs. S&P getting up to its highs. Woo. Oh yeah. Always hope you're killing it too. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, today's a day. Today's a good day, guys. I'm thinking about another NQ play here real quick. NQ with S&P pushing up on these highs here. I would have a tighter stop on it. I would need S&P to start to break these highs here for me to feel confident. Nvidia pushing back up. S&P breaking back above 446 here, guys. Has to hold for NQ to start continuing to spike here, ladies and gentlemen. We are scalping, baby. We are scalpers. Okay, so I might even take another Nvidia play here and hold it now that it broke right back above. I say it goes for that high a day and takes it out, ladies and gentlemen. You guys there with me? You guys in with me? We're gonna see. 446, some resistance here on the S&P. Whew. All right, guys. Chilling. I like NQ doing this little spiking, right? Oh, man, guys, I might get in here, guys. I might get in. One contract, NQ, top side, letting this rock out, letting this play out. I just want to see what happens here on the S&P. That's all that matters here on the S&P. Just want to see what it wants to do. Doesn't want to go for another break, rip, and run, or is that the top? Let's see where there's... Let's see. Let's look at the book map and see where there's tough resistance. Tough resistance actually right here on ES. Right at the price of 7.5 here on ES. Yup. 4475. Tough resistance there on ES. Seeing if it can break out and above it, pushing it. Seeing if it can break out, starting to break out above it. Guys, I'm jumping in real quick as it's breaking out above it. We're gonna see here, just waiting and watching, just checking it out. Nothing crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Not looking for $1 million, looking just a quick little play here. S&P to continue to rip, run, break out, guys. Woo! We're seeing here. We are waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen, for another push here. Waiting to see if it can. Waiting to see if it can get up there, spike, rip, and run. The Ninja Trader loaded up here. Looking for that green to come into play here. There it goes. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that breakout, rip and run. All the way up to 304.50. Starting to push it. There she goes, guys. There she goes. Bring on the trigger to lock up gains. Bring on the trigger to lock up gains. I know we can break out more. There she goes, guys. Starting to break out more. Starting to break out more, ladies and gentlemen. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that more of a rip and run. You guys with me on this one? You guys with me on this?
Order filled.
Locked up those gains. 750 on the day, guys. Woo! Oh, yeah, buddy. Just taking these scalp plays, ladies and gentlemen, on ES. On NQ. You guys can be trading it with me on ES. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, Turnt Trader. What made me get in that play? What made me see it? I want to explain a little bit. We had tough resistance here at the 7.5 break on ES. If you guys get this on Bookmap, all you have to do, shout out to Grambo. Shout out to Grambo if he's ever in the chat here for helping me out. Just go to support, Bink, ask for it. They'll give you it. It's free for ES. Everything like that. It's completely free. And all you got to do, and you guys don't even have to scalp. You guys can hold if you want. You know what I mean? I just scalp because I got paper hands. That's really it. I got paper hands, guys. So, we're chilling out on this, and this is really it. So, it's starting to spike, rip, and run. Okay, you get in. Boom. 440. We know 446 was some tough resistance there. And look at NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA has room all the way down to 480, 8.7. I might even get in long here. I want a pullback, though. I want to get a pullback back down to 8.7 for me to feel comfortable to get back in. So that's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. I want to be able to get in, but I want to pull back, guys. I want to get 40 shares. I want to get 40 shares to the top side, on a pullback though. Near 480, it's at 8.7. It's the real point's 8.8. So as close as I can get to that point is where I want to get filled, guys. So we're gonna see. So that's where we're at right now, ladies and gentlemen. Chilling out. I just keep trading these points here, guys. We're still ripping and running. I wait for a little bit of consolidation. Bink. It's just whenever I feel good. You know what I mean? Whenever I feel good, whenever I feel like this is a perfect time to get in, Bam, baby, punch it in. All right. What's up, Darth Trader? Looks like you've been killing it. Hey, yeah, I've been doing all right. I hope you're killing it, man. Hope you're killing it, brother. Getting it in there, getting some trades in, getting green, getting great. 50-day. We got to watch out here, ladies and gentlemen. 50-day right here on ES. Upwards of the price of, what is that? Let me see if I can. I don't think I can without, no. I'd say 440.90. 50-day, you got to watch out for. That's on ES right there. Guys, look at it. It's still making these highs. Will it come back down? I think maybe this was a dip buy, ladies and gentlemen. Do you think that was a dip buy there on NQ? Yeah, I mean, excuse me, NVIDIA. Guys, I feel like I'm getting in at a high here. I don't like getting in at these highs. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm getting killed. You're getting killed. How are you getting killed, Darth? What's going on, Darth Trader? Not how, but what's going on? Market and you just not butting heads today. Or you guys are butting heads today. That's the issue. It happens. Look at that breakout on NVIDIA, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. NVIDIA is going crazy, guys. You guys can scalp this with options as well. Guys, oh my gosh. That is so clean. That is so great. All of this is so great, so clean, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm chilling out right now. Up 750 on it. Oh my goodness, NVIDIA is so clean, guys. Yes, sir, we were button heads. Very disappointed with my trading lately. It's okay. Listen, you got it, brother. I know you got it. You just gotta keep it up. Keep up. You know, keep on keeping on, bro. I remember the days where you were making $500 to $1,000, bro. All right. It's just sometimes market conditions change and you gotta switch strategies up. You know, or just don't trade. There's a lot of traders that literally don't trade some days. They take like 20 trades a month, and that's it. They're done. They just done in and out. Right? Like some traders today might be long S&P from like the first break of like before 10 a.m. Oh my goodness, NVIDIA, guys. I don't want to get in this necessarily at this high, but I might. Whoa. Okay. Yep. I thought I was in 60 shares or 80. It's okay. You know what? I don't want to get in at this high, but if I get in at this high and it breaks out, rips and runs on me, I'll like it. This could banana squeeze all the way up. Like I said, guys, we could go for 500 today. I don't want to be the guy being like, oh man, I didn't get filled down at 41, essentially giving up $3 instead of making $15 to $18. You guys get what I'm saying? So, do I think this movement, this climb is stable? Red to green there on NVIDIA. Do I think it's stable? I think it's. I don't really think it's. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it holds up. I don't have a judgment. That's my. That's what I'll say. Woo! So jumped in on NVIDIA there. Some longs just to see what it can do. About 20 bones. 20 bones. There we go. So we're gonna see this thing start to rip, run, break out. S&P, as long as S&P holds and continues to rip, run, and break out, I feel like NVIDIA can do the same. NVIDIA is its own monster. Yep, it's all Momo for now. That is completely right. Listen, it's literally like just, yeah, dude, just, you know, just literally go long, get in, get filled, go long, trade this, get, you know, going crazy. 34 on this now. We're waiting and watching here. I want to see the momentum continue, okay? Momentum continues to spike, rip, and run. I think NVIDIA got some room. Looking for red to green here on NVIDIA. I'm going to turn this to 20 shares. Just in case I want to sell half. There it goes. There's a little bit of a spike down. Waiting for a red to green. Seeing if we can continue to climb here. But look at that dump there on S&P. You and me both. Yeah, it's one of those days, man. I'm thinking about I might sell half here. Just right around break even. Oh, S&P, you little dirty one. Oh, okay. I see you, S&P. Okay, I see you. All right, guys. So hold on. I want to keep this up for you guys, just so you know I'm not like doing anything weird. I'm not in any ES or NQ. I might get short here though. I'm not against the short here. Look at that pullback, ladies and gentlemen. I had my downtrend line and everything. Oh my goodness, guys. S&P getting murdered, slaughtered right now, guys. That could be a dip buy right there, ladies and gentlemen. Right down to 446, guys. All right, 446 dip buy. Anyone interested in that? Anyone interested in that at all? S&P 446 dip buy. Nvidia starting to spike back up. All right, let me read this. I had my downtrend line and everything set today. Was looking for the break of the downtrend to enter ES long, but I was a little late to my price PC. Oh, a little late to my PC because of work, so I just let the move pass me by. Wound up looking for the short, got smoked because I didn't take my profits. Went long and didn't take my profits, and got smoked because I sold to prevent it dropping hard on me. Yeah, and that's, you know, that can happen always, man. And that's why, hey, and look who taught me that. Dark Trader, you're the one that even taught me that. You know, and Grambo, I can give Turnt Trader. All of you guys have taught me to take profits, right? I've learned from you guys. You guys remember the days I'd be up $600. You guys would probably be screaming at your computers like, hey, YB, take your dang profits, bro. Like, take your profits. And I'd be sitting there like, guys, it's still going. You guys are just sitting there probably shaking your heads, right? Just because I won't take profits. And then, you know, nowadays I take my profits like that. So, 446 potential dip buy, ladies and gentlemen. NQ just dropped 30 points. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right, dude? If you would have caught that move with even one contract, that would have been crazy. So, I'm waiting and watching to see what it's going to continue to do here. With the way I don't know. Nvidia is its own monster. That's my only thing. Even if the S&P dumps more, Nvidia can continue to rip and run due to the fact Nvidia is just going crazy today, guys. I love seeing it up near these highs, man. I love seeing the market move. I don't care which direction it's moving, guys. Oh man, this is looking good for a potential short here. Might get out of some of these here if it doesn't break out, rip and run here. If it wants to break out, rip and run, I'll stay in. Not in any NQ plays right now. Waiting and watching, guys. Up on the trade to pull account right now on the day. Whoa. Here we go. Right there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Right around 150. Secure though. Secure is 150. Guys, I think this might be a dip buy. I'm not gonna get in, but this might be a dip buy here, ladies and gentlemen. Right around the 446 point. Depends on what the rest of these. Oh, I was wrong. Oh, was I wrong? Ladies and gentlemen, it's so I feel as if I can't get filled on the short side, guys. I don't like riding out both sides. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, once I get back to a little bit green, we'll go a little bit green. I feel like we're gonna continue to spike here. I go a little bit green here. I might TP some. I'm gonna take about 20 shares out. I need a little bit of green though. So throw me in the green there, Nvidia. Little bit green there, $5, $14. Yeah, about $10 I took half out. Okay, so that's the little bit of green I was looking for. 445 dip buy maybe. I'm not against that. I don't think the market's gonna reverse all the way back down, ladies and gentlemen. I really do think we're just gonna, this is a dip buy. We might come and conquer those highs, right? We're kind of edging here on Nvidia. I just want to wait and watch, guys. I might lock it up for about a $4 gain, $2 gain, $4 gain. Gonna see what happens here. If we go red to green, you're good. Could potentially spike, break those highs. Depends on what the S&P does. It's the same players trading Nvidia and Tesla. Mass shorts covering going on after that news. That's probably what it. Oh, you're probably exactly right. These guys that have been shorting S&P forever now, you know what I mean? You got some Michael Burries, you know what I mean? Shorting, you know, these big, large cap plays, and now they're like, okay, let me lock up some gains, right? Like, okay, I've been up, let me lock up some gains here. And then bada boom, bada boom, there you go. 445 dip, yep. Don't trade a Grambo. Completely feel the both for both of you. That was me last week, and I had to take a step back and reset. Yeah, 100%. Sometimes you guys gotta look at the chart and be like, yeah, man, I gotta take a breather. I gotta chill out. I don't. 445 dip buy here. Look at Nvidia, guys, now pushing these highs, ladies and gentlemen. Try to pull this back up. Let me do something like that. Let me take this here. Move this to like right there. When I'm in a trade, I'll bring this back up for you guys. Until then, I'll leave it over there. I'm hesitant going on any shorts for now. This is a strong upward movement, a strong up move. Needs to, needs to see more of a break on the downtrend of the trend going down before I get in that. Sorry, man, I can't read right now, bro. It's not your typing, it's my reading. All right. So, 30-minute, I feel like I agree. I feel like this is going to be a dip buy. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. New 30-minute candle just came out. We're starting to get that squeeze. This could really start to break out, rip and run. All right, if this doesn't top out, this isn't the top, we could break out, rip and run here. But this could be a little bit of an upper candle, upper shadow, I guess you could call it, and a dump. I don't know. I trade what I see, okay? So, waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. But this could very much be a U-shaped dip buy, boom, spike to the high day. Same here with Nvidia, breaking its little downtrend that was holding, could spike back up to the high day there. Woo. It's the excitement of the action. It gets everyone. I know, man. I know. It's like I can't even talk. I'm like, go like a million miles an hour. Don't Trader, glad you got, what is it? Got out of the funk. I understand it happens, but it won't. Yeah. Yep. It's like you just get, and listen, and here's the thing. You get in your upward, you get in your winning streaks, man. You're winning every day. You're winning big numbers. You're killing the market. And then maybe you'll have a little bit of a divot. It doesn't have to be a big divot. Maybe you're losing like $50 one day. Maybe you have a red day of like, you know, 40 bucks, 100 bucks. Or let's say you make usually $40,000 in a day. Maybe you lose $1,000. Maybe you lose $5,000, right? And then it's like, okay. Then the next day, instead of getting that divot and letting that take you, you go, listen, hold on, rewind. Let me take a second to just reflect. Okay, let's not do that again. And it's like maybe the trades weren't bad, it was just the market conditions, right? There's a million things that play into it, but yeah. So just sitting on this Nvidia, I sold 20 for $10 gain. I'm holding the rest of these 20 here just to see what happens. Okay? We're getting down to 445.80 here. Could be another short. Look at that. Right near that 50-day, ladies and gentlemen. Right near that 50-day. Give me 1 second here. Let's see something. There it is, guys. Starting to break down a little bit. I'm not going to hold these forever. I'm not that confident in them. So we'd take about a $5, $4 loss right now on this play. About a $4 loss. Waiting to see if we get a little bit more of a pop. See what happens. Look at the S&P, guys, now coming back down. We'll see. I think we get a dip buy in the future very soon. So I might just hold that out. So gonna do this here. Gonna do, oh yeah, book trader. There you go, book map. All right, book map, guys. Looking at the book map, seeing where we have support. Seeing where we have heavy support anyways. Potentially right here, it's a bit thicker, but we could break it right around 470. 470, what is that? Right there, 470 flat, okay. Seeing if that's a potential dip buy opportunity. What would that equal out right around now? That would be right around the 445.60 level on S&P, right? Right in this area. Right there's our 50-day. So we're gonna give it a second, wait, watch, and see what happens, guys. Wait, watching, and seeing, baby. Gonna move this over as well, just so I don't accidentally click on it or anything. Because that would be bad if I accidentally enter a trade here. Unless it works out, then that'd be good. Guys, I might do a little bit of a dip buy here on 20 more shares. Just want to wait because we got right down to that 50-day. I want to see if I can get a little bit more of a dip buy here. I want this candle to hold up a little bit. Guys, I might get in here. In 40 shares, in 20 more there. Kind of got a little bit of a dip buy opportunity. That was the game plan there. All right, looking for us to come back up, touch the trend line there at the top side, all for that 50-day bounce, and start to push 446. By the time we push 446, Nvidia would be upwards of its trend line. If not, my stop loss is gonna have to be 481. Oh, now we're getting there. Guys, gonna have to cut this here soon. S&P, I don't know, man. S&P's bouncing though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we get a little wicking action here. We'll see what's up. We'll see what happens here, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and watching, guys. That's not an energy drink, if you guys are wondering. That is not an energy drink. Alright, I am trying to get off. I'm not drinking as many, I swear. I'll be right back. I gotta do something down here, guys. That's why. See, I gotta do something down here. Hold on, let me pull my OBS. Oh, it closed the position. Oh, that's dumb. Okay. I forgot it does that all the time, dude. Hold on, let me pull my OBS. Okay. Give me a second. My phone. I gotta grab my phone. It's down there. Oh, there it is. There. See, guys, I told you. 2 energy drinks instead of 5. All right, we're getting there. We're getting somewhere, guys. I'm trying. Nah, I'm kidding, guys. I try not to drink too many. I'm still young. All right, my heart, you know, it's still good. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully God says the same. Guys, I just think this is a dip buy opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do the break, though. I feel like, I don't know. I want to get filled as low as I can. 2 back-to-back. Listen, all right. Listen. How do you think this energy comes about, guys? All right. We don't play no games, all right? I'm filled in here. 40 shares to the top side. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, where did I get filled at? Oh, I got filled market. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that pump. Starting to get that pump, Ruski. So waiting and watching now, guys. This is the dip buy I was talking about. I'll be running through the walls. Hey, listen, all right. Everyone's different. It's okay. It happens. Probably just sweating sitting there. Bro, you don't even know. I got the AC cranked, okay? And it's still not doing the trick, all right? I got the AC cranked. All right, I feel amazing, all right? Woke up early today, right? Around, I'd say, around 6:30. Essentially hit the alarm about 4 times, so right around 7 and got up, actually. It's like 7:30 or something. All right, went and hit a little pump. Didn't get it here. I mean, I went a little later, all right? I usually go in the afternoons, but I know today since I'm going to look at that driver, and it's about a 30-minute drive from me, and I got a couple other things to do. I got to go pick up my clubs, which are about 40 minutes away from me, because my car's in the shop right now getting everything done, and I forgot my golf clubs in the back, so I know I'm going to have to do that, and then I want to hit the driving range. So I know that it's gonna take a while, okay? Oh, I believe it. And then some ice water to keep that focus. Yeah, buddy. You already know. It's the PC gaming suit. PCs put out a lot of heat. That's probably why my legs, bro. It's like a heater down there, man. I'm sitting there putting my hand down. It's like a full-on heater. All right. So you're not wrong. I'm there with you. Especially with multiple monitors, yeah. I got multiple monitors connected. I got 3 lights. I got 1 here, 1 there, and 1 there. Actually, let me where is that other light? Oh, right here. I was gonna say, wait a minute, it's not even on. I usually put it on, and it fell. There you go. Now there's like light on this side of me, that side, and that side. NQ going for that high a day, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. You know, yeah. PC is running at 145 degrees. Those GPUs crank out a lot of heat. How do I check that? I don't even know how to check that. Oh, is it this number on the top right that says 775 with an F on it? No, I'm kidding. Imagine 775 degrees. That'd be crazy. I downloaded a little app. Oh, okay. Oh, this guy's got it down, dude. Dude, you're definitely, bro. You be playing them games, man. You be running like, I don't know, 100 frames per second. This guy don't play around. Whew. So chilling out on this position right now. Chilling. We're pushing that high a day. I want to see it continue to rip and break out here. Glad I got filled where I got filled. Might lock up some of it here, just in case. Locked up half, holding half. Locked up half, holding half. Another breakout rip and run, baby. We'll get out if it starts to flip red. Market turning. Oh, I went to get a Bink, selling out, taking my profit on the day there. What is it? I downloaded MSI Afterburner. Is that what it's called? MSI Afterburner. I went to get a liquid cooler to reduce the temps though. Market turning right now. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's see. MSI Afterburner. Afterburner MSI. Is this like? Is this like a good? Is this good? Is this a good website? Give me 1 second here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that bounce right off the 50 though, guys. Is it good? Is that a good thing? Might help with temps in your room. It'll show you your temps and let you crank up your fan on your GPU to cool it down. Oh, I can manually crank that? Wait, what happens if I... Oh, dang, okay. Oh, shit, that's dope. My app looks like it's from the 80s, much like Ninja Trading. Oh, yeah, dude. You already know. Yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll, what is it? Is it this one right here? Just so I know I'm not, like, downloading, like, some random website. This one right here? Yes? Oh, wait. Yep. All right, word. All right, I'll get that going. Yeah, right now, no, my PC's actually not really that hot or anything. I think my fans, they're actually pretty nice. I got this computer like 2 years ago. So, no, that's a lie. By now, it's been like at least 3 to 4. I got this when I was right around... Nah, because I was trading by then. Yeah, I was trading. I got it like a couple months before I started trading. I'd say around 16, man. I've had it for like 3.5 years now. Yeah. That's crazy, man. Because I got it, so I've been trading for like, actually now it's been like 3 years and 2 months I've been trading, or something like that. And, what is it? So I got it a few months before I started trading. So it was like, I had to be like 15 something. I know, man. 15 years old. Crazy. Dude, if I was 16, the way I am now, bro, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro, you wouldn't even know. I'd be a I don't even know what I'd be. I'd be a multi-something. Probably not billionaire. Hopefully a millionaire, right? So, Dumperuski. There you go. There it is, actually. Yup, London session closing here. They're starting to take profits, guys. Guys, I might look at one more short here on NQ for a final short of the day, man. Right underneath that 50-day, guys. Right underneath that 50-day. I like it. Has to hold underneath it, though. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. All right. How many trades have you taken on NQ today on the prop? Oh, let me see. One trade because I bought in, sold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 5 trades so far on the day. Yep, because I went 1 long here, and then I went another long there, meaning I have 2 longs now. Then I sold out. Yeah, buddy, 5 trades. Yep, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I've just been trying to get quality over quantity. You know what I mean? So sitting up 750. Means I made over 125 a trade. Oh, there we go. Maybe a bit more. That's nice, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so far so good. So far I love it. And like I said, guys, futures. I love futures, man. I don't know why, man. I love futures. Listen, and I love the way, because I can scout the crap out of the futures market compared to, you know, anything else. And for some reason, I can't trade my other TradeAvate account. I think it's because... Here, let me pull this up. I have like $500 in here to trade it, meaning I probably can't make like your current version. Okay, install and relaunch. Hold on, give me a second. Another view up. Look at that, another 50-day dip buy. Look at that, another 50-day dip buy, ladies and gentlemen. What's your guys' thoughts on? What's your guys' thoughts there? Do you think it's gonna be a dip buy, or do you think that's it? it's wraps, guys. We're going downhill.
Feels like I'm dreaming. I can't believe it. Yeah, with you, I'm barely breathing, and you're the reason. I'm up here in the stars, following where you
Look at settings.
you got me waking up. 'Cause with you, it feels like I'm dreaming. I can't believe it.
Give me 1 second. There we go, okay. Alright, I think we're good. I don't know if we're good on this. I'm gonna try it out. I might have to do it with ES instead of NQ. ES instead of NQ, maybe. And that'll be real money, not prop firm money. That'll be my money. So I would do it ES underneath the 50, starting to come down here with the S&P. You know, the cleaner moves were these. You know, there we go. I think we might retest highs on S&P. The hourly candle is outside the upper Bollinger Band, which has me very skeptical. I think we might retest highs. Okay, yeah. I do think we might. I think we're gonna get a. This is a bounce play going to the top side, and you know we might spike, rip, and run, and actually start to get that push finally, right? That'd be awesome. I just want to see this break first off. Just for any significance, I just want to see it break. Just so it doesn't become any sort of downtrend, right? You want to see that break, and then you want to see, I guess the low would be like right around this 50, man. It would be something like that. You just want to see that 50-day hold up, and you want to see that break. And then after that, we have room to rip and run down. You get what I'm saying, guys? All right, we're all on the same page? Word. So yeah, man, I hope you guys are killing it today. Hope you guys are printing. Guys, I got the first watch I've ever bought on. Guys, you guys want to check this out? I just realized that. I wore it today. Just because it's the first watch I've ever bought myself. I think I got into the watch game. Now listen, I don't own any like crazy Rolexes or anything, alright? One of my best watches, and one of my favorite watches is my Citizen. My watch collection is small right now, due to the fact that I'm not reselling them. I was thinking about reselling watches for a long time. But, and it's still in good condition. I bought this when I was around 16, I think. It's nothing crazy. You guys can probably pick it up for like literally like 150 bucks. I think something like that, like 150. See that little Timex, right? Little gold bezel, little white base, white dial. All right. So repping out for the good old times of when I thought I was the man, wearing a $125 watch to school. You already gotta know, gotta love it. Whatever brings the luck, bro. Yeah, right? He's like, hey, man, you do. He's like, dude, I don't care if it's a Kmart. Actually, dude, my first ever watch that I've ever had, I didn't buy it. I was like, I don't know, like 13, right? When I got it, it was a Kmart watch. You guys know what Kmart is? I don't know if some of you guys aren't from America, don't know what that is. But Kmart watch. Yup. It was like $30, $40, and I still have that. I gotta find it. Does it work? No. The dial's kind of like out of it. It's not really good. Is it nice though? Yes. Do I like it? Well, is it nice? Yeah, it's a good memory. It's a good memory. I don't really wear it because it's kind of broken. But yeah. So gotta wear that. Got a couple other ones. I wanna grab a nice one of these days. I might grab a nice little like a little oyster, something nice. I got this. I'm in this in a little Facebook group chat for reselling watches and stuff, just in case, because I was really gonna resell. I was gonna drop like around like 10K and start reselling watches, right? And like I just I never got into it because I live near New York, right? And New York 47th Street is a diamond district, right? If any of you guys are familiar with that, diamond district is jewelry, everything like that. So I can go up there and grab them for a decent price and resell them on eBay, Amazon. Whatever would be, not Amazon, more or less eBay, Chrono24, whatever, check the prices out. So there's a whole thing that goes into it, but it was some pretty kick watches, man, some pretty nice ones on here. But I had a really good deal going. Like right here, man. It's awesome. Some of these watches are not cheap, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Some of these watches are not cheap. Be looking like Kush out here. Alright. Got Got some, like, you know, Rolex Daytona iced out on. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Chilling, all right? No, I'm kidding. So, yeah, so just looking at a couple of these. Or even Omegas, man. Yeah, this Omega right here. This is a nice Omega. Not bad. I just don't know, like, the resale rate. I can't resell watch. I just don't. Not these days. I don't like. Man, I don't know, man. That's a different kind of business. Very different. So chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Chilling out, guys. S&P starting to break that trend line to the top side, guys. What do I want to see? I want to see the S&P start to reverse all the way up. All the way up. Push that high a day, ladies and gentlemen. Bounce twice off the 50 day. Essentially a double bottom. Very nice there. Very, very nice. Love seeing the double, double bottom there. Seeing if we can get that spike, rip, and run back to the top side. Nvidia's starting to come down a little bit here. Seeing if it can break to the downside, guys. Chilling out on the day, up around 750 on futures there. Up around 750 on futures. Nothing crazy. Alright, this is on the funded account. So this is on the one that's already funded. So right now what I'm waiting on is I have to hit 2,600. And then I can start pulling out, right? I just have to wait 10 days, right? If I'm correct. I gotta look into that again. 2,600, and then it can't go below 2,600, correct? After my first withdrawal. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. Guys, I might take Nvidia puts, honestly, man, underneath this 50 day for a sell-off. We're starting to break that trend line, guys. Nvidia puts underneath that trend line. Nothing crazy, like 5 of them. I wasn't looking to trade too much options today. I'm still not. I'm looking for 41 to come in. I just want to see. Underneath that 50 day, I'm a lot more confident. What are you guys' thoughts on that? Woo. Excited for you to get to celebrate your first payout when you get it? Yeah, buddy. Thank you, Torn Trader. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's going to be awesome, guys. And to think you guys have been here for the entire ride, man. You guys have been here since I had that big $3,000 day on CPI, I'm pretty sure it was, to, you know, now, you know, just, I mean, I love it, guys. And, hey, like I said, remember what I said, and I'm sticking to it. Remember what I said. I'm going to take some of these profits. I'm going to open up another account with Apex, right? And we're going to fight. Well, I just want to get all of you guys on Apex accounts, and we're going to kill Take Profit Trader for removing my almost funded account. Yeah. Okay, is it revengeful? Is it greedy? Is it spiteful? It doesn't matter. Are you guys going to make a lot of money? Yeah. Yeah. So that's what matters. Just know when you withdraw right after 2,600, it affects your trailing drawdown. See, this is, okay. Grambo, by how much does it affect it? Because that's, yeah. 1,500. What's up, Tebow? Woo! Hell yeah, man. You are killing it, bro. You're killing the game, man. Congratulations, man. Oh my goodness. Is that with your funded account there, Tebow? Or is that with your own money, I guess that would be? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I see something like this. I see this holding out. Your account can never go below 50,100 or you lose the account. Okay, so that's it though. That's it. So let's say I hit 5260, right? And then let's say I hit 50,000 and I don't know, 50, you know, or 60,000. Let's say I go up to 60,000 on the account, right? So if I go up to 60,000 on it, is my drawdown still 50,100, or does it now adjust to something else? You know what I mean? New challenge. This is the one I thought I would funded last week. Okay, there you go. There you go. Your balance is 53,351. Oh, okay. That's awesome. That is awesome. I love to see that. Okay. So my trailer, it will always be 50,100. So no matter, what if I just get the account up to like 70,000 and then just never go down to 50,100? Then it's mine forever, right? Just keep banking. They get their 10%, I get my 90, and you're good to go, right? I'm pretty sure. You get 2 payouts a month as well, right? Then you have a huge drawdown. Okay, then I have a huge, okay. I got it. We got it down, ladies and gentlemen. All right, word. Okay. Yep, if I get it up to like 70,000, I think I might like, because think about it, that could be literally another income stream forever. If you never hit that 50,100 and always keep it above 70,000. You know what I mean? Now, will I get it up that high before I pull out? I'll probably get it up to, I don't know what my game plan is. Maybe 70. I mean, no, excuse me, 60. 60,000 is the game plan, maybe. You know, and this is all, you know, knock on wood. This is all, hopefully, you know what I mean? Trading futures or whatnot. You know, so that'd be awesome. Doesn't Apex trail their drawdowns? First 25K on Apex is yours, and then you split 90-10. Oh, okay, word. There we go. I'll buy a whole rental property with that right there. Doesn't Apex trail their draw? Yeah, I think, is there a trailing drawdown there, or is that just on the, I don't know if that's just on the actual, like when you're trying to get funded, you know what I mean? On the, what is that, prep account, I guess you call it? Or can I not lose like 2,500 in one day, you know what I mean? Or does it keep coming up? I'm not too sure on that. I'm not too sure. I'm watching you on the video as well. They don't anymore once you hit your profit target on the funded account. Oh, okay. Okay, that sounds good. Okay. I like that. There you go, because then they realize that you're profitable, right? So then you're making them money. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. We are going to pass our funded trading accounts. Yes, we are. We're all going to pass, baby. Everyone passing, everyone making money. I want to see you guys being like, yo, YB, yo, they call me up or something. You guys text me on Twitter, be like, yo, YB, I'm going to the FX meet. I got a booth, man. If you want to pitch in like 5,000, we can get an Airbnb and we can, you know, go rip jet skis around. I'll be like, you guys, you gotta do it. I'll be like, yeah, I'm on my way. All right, I'm on my way right now, actually. Yep. All right, we'll live a crazy life. We're all gonna crap ton of rental properties. All right, we'll trade cash properties in every 50, you know, every state in the United States, every 50 states, all. Two territories, baby, Hawaiian territories. I don't really count them. All video, all big shits. Yeah, buddy. $484. Starting to push it down in video. Guys, I'm also on my Trade the Poll account. This is also a funded account I'm trying to get funded. This is a funded account for stocks now, though. So that I don't even have to ever use my own money. You know what I mean? So I'll get funded now on stocks, and then, you know what I mean? And then bada bing bada boom, I'll never have to use my own money. That's it. Not just for futures, but for stocks then as well. This has most stocks on it. This is a 50-50 payout though, right? This one's a 50-50 payout, not a 50, what is it? Excuse me, a 50-10 or whatever. I mean, a 90-10. So this is a 50-50 payout. I don't mind that, because that means that they actually care if you're making money. You know what I mean? What's the equity prop from again? I didn't catch that. The equity. Do you mean the what is it? The one for these the stocks here? Trade with stocks. This one right here is called Trade the Poll. NVIDIA. I mean, excuse me, NQ ripping up even higher. NQ now pushing highs. Ladies and gentlemen, NQ going for it. Guys, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, look at NQ. Crazy. Sorry, the one you're talking about. Cool. Okay, yep. Trade the pool. It's like $100. It's not bad. It's very nice, I'll say. And you think that losing 300, okay, you can't lose $300 in one day, right? But here's the thing. The only thing I don't like is that they do, if you lose $90 or something like that, they'll stop the trade. You know what I mean? It's kind of bum. Because then it's like, all right, well, I have a strategy in play, but I have to make it work to only not losing like a certain amount. You know what I mean? It's kind of bum, but it's okay. Other than that, though, it's pretty cool. So like, if you like if you're up like 100, 200, 300, and you're only allowed to lose 90, that's your risk to reward, though. You know what I'm saying? So I'm up 112 on the day, 121, excuse me. The account's at 112 though, due to the fact of commissions, fees and commissions, yo. Yeah, I was with a firm where they would kick you out of a trade when you hit a minus 50. Yeah, that's so tight. That's such a tight stop loss. It's like, how do you actually, like, I don't even know, ladies and gentlemen. That's crazy tight. It's like you don't have wiggle room, you know what I mean? You'll have to take like 2 shares. Like, oh man, here we go. ICCT apparently going crazy. Hold on. ICCT, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, and it's not available here. Guys, I'm gonna have to trade it over here. Let me load this up. ICCT, guys. Guys, I just want to jump on Momo. Where would resistance be, guys? Where do you guys think resistance would be? I'll take maybe 200 shares to the top side. Waiting on a little bit of a pullback. Guys, I want to get in here above 50 just to see what it can do. I won't hold for long, though. Okay? If it doesn't want to break 50, I'm okay with that. A 720 starting to come down a little bit here. This is what I want. I need some sort of pullback. Some sort of consolidation. Yeah, I think they want me to do small scalps. I didn't like it. Yeah, right? They expect you to enter a trade and be green instantly. Like, quite literally. They're like, wait a minute. Hold on, buddy. So, hey, actually, I just want to point this out here. If you are, like, we don't like traders that go red. Like, even if you're red, like, $10, we don't like that. So, we are going to have to, you know. I know you did pay $700 for this one. It's okay. You know, it's like, well, this was supposed to be a $700,000 account, but I can't lose 50 bucks on it. It's like, well, no, we don't. See, here's the thing. We don't like red. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But hey, good try, man. Good try. Basically, you're never allowed to lose, right? Like, basically, if you're ever wrong, like once, you're done. You're done. Cut it. Cut it, buddy. Cut it. Get out of here. You're not meant for this. It's like, what? It's like, what? Yo. Alright, never mind. After that, I don't really like this. That's too much. I was like, yeah, give me a little bit of a pullback here on ICCT. Yeah, I got you, man. No problem. Jumps about 50 cents to the downside. It's like, okay, well, let's rewind. let's run that back. So NQ now. NQ near them highs. Guys, I'm starting to see a little bit of resistance up near, right around. We'll go right there. Let's remove all this before it gets ugly. Okay. SPY gonna go for high a day. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking SPY goes for high a day here, ladies and gentlemen. SPY ripping, running to the top side here. I want to see what that'll do to NQ and also ES. I know ES. Let's see where ES has that resistance. Hold on. Bookmap. Oh, ES right now at its resistance. Damn, that is a fat resistance. Oh my goodness, guys. Hold on. You guys see this here? Right at 4480, guys. It's a very fat resistance right there. Essentially right where it was at. Went a little bit higher, but still there. Mike Trade saying, so YB, you sign up at Apex, let's say for 147, and they fund you with 25K. So how it works is you have to pass an evaluation. So with 25,000, you have to make $1,500, and or let's say you have to make $2,500 with the 25,000, but you can't lose 1,500, right? So for the $50,000 account, I had to make 3,000, and I couldn't lose 2,500. You see what I'm saying? So it's like a 2-to-1 RR. It's not bad though. Like that's for prop firms, that's really not bad. And so you pay $147 a month or whatnot, but then once you get funded, once you pass that $3,000 and you actually get your funded account, then that's when so right now I'm sitting at, on this account, 5150, 5174. Once I make 52,600, then I can start to withdraw, right? So once I start to withdraw, I can't go back down to $50,100. There you go. If that is easy to understand. I know that was a lot to take in. That wasn't the best explanation. Essentially, your first prep account, you have to make a total of like $5,000 before you can pull money out. Essentially, that's it. So yeah, hopefully that explained it, Mike. Hopefully that did. That was kind of a shitty explanation, but yeah. So, and it's really nice because then you're not trading, and especially, okay, let's say you want to trade futures. We all know how volatile futures are, right? We all know how volatile futures are. I'm thinking about NQ here as well. By the way, just putting that out there. We all know how volatile futures are and how crazy it can get and how ripping and running and momentum and everything. Guys, I might join the bid here on on ES. I want to see it break out though before I get in. But yeah. So it can be super volatile with your own money. It's very risky sometimes. But you know, it's all up to you, man. It's all what you're feeling. And if you don't want to do the whole funded thing, that's cool. Hold on. And if you don't want to do the whole funded thing, that's cool. You can also trade it with your own money. Just sign up with Trade of 8. Just sign up with, you know, whatever the account would be that you're looking to get funded with. I don't even know if I can get him with that. So chilling out. Tango is going off right now. Tango's seen another dog talking about me, and he wants all the smoke, guys. So chilling out. Spy about to double top. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what happens here on S&P. I do think, hold on, let me bring up that book map one more time. It is breaking that high on the book map of where it was.
Order rejected.
Yeah, I can't yet. Yep. Can't yet on ES or NQ, so I have to wait on that. So the game plan might be, I might just wait, take my profits on, I'm going to wait for the prop firm account to get funded. And then after it gets funded, I'm gonna probably, there it goes, guys. Starting to get that little bit of a pullback here. That's what I was thinking. I'm thinking about looking for here. Oh man, I almost want to jump in on this, but it's not clean. It's not that clean, ladies and gentlemen. That could wick back up, and I don't want to be the guy in. Lose some gains there, lose some of the profit. I'm not willing to risk nothing. I'm not willing to risk nothing, guys. All right. So chilling out. All right. So yeah, so that's Apex. I mean, like, listen. And think about it, you're spending $150, or if you get a discount, they have 80% discount sometimes, right? So if you use like, what is it, like, I forget what it is, like save, it'll be like, I'm not even gonna type it because I don't even know if it works, I'm not gonna lead you guys on. It's like save 90, save 80, you'll literally save 80 to 90%, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that, that is crazy. So a $250,000 account, you can get for $50. A $50,000 account, you can get for like $30, right? It's crazy. And hey, if you make money off of it, you know, literally you're in with $30, right? But when you pass the challenge, then you have to forward the other amount, right? So when I passed my challenge, I had to give up the other 87 that I still owed for the 160. So yeah, they come out with them all the time. They will probably do a Labor Day sale. Yeah. So it's not very rare or anything. It's very much common. Chilling out. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, starting to get that rip and run. I want to see what happens here, though. I want to see what happens here. Has to start to really break out before I get in NQ. Excuse me, before I get in NQ. Has to really start to break out here. I would need to see it above that point. I would want to see, let me check out ES book map. ES book map has a little bit of resistance up near here, as you see there. A little bit, nothing too crazy though. Woo! Tesla new high today. Tesla has a new high today as well. There we go. There we go. So Tesla, I'm watching Nvidia as well. I'm watching all of these points here to see what's going to happen. See if we're going to continue to spike, rip, and run, or are we going to double top here and start to come down. Okay, so nothing for me just yet. Not feeling too confident in that. I go solely based off my confidence levels and what I think, you know, truly what I think is going to happen in the market. It's not just my intuition. I'm not like, okay, well, you know, it's Pisces month, guys, so I have to get in now. Like, no, dude. It's like, if I see the market coming up, I from trading for the last few years, and some of you guys have been trading for even longer than me, know it can always double top in these areas. Right? It'll go a couple pennies above and then start to dump. But with the way the market's been moving today, I would not be surprised if we continue to rip, run, and break out as we keep making higher lows here. Quick little trend line. Quick little trend line there. There goes ES new high. ES new high day. NQ getting up there. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm waiting and watching on all of these plays here. If S&P continues to break out, NQ is going to be forced to push higher. Ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to break out a little bit more here. I think we're going to continue to rip and run. I think we're going to get that pop. 4485. Is that what you think's the high there? Guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
in right now. I'm in long one here. I'm long one here to see what breakout we're going to get. To see if NQ wants to jump, pop, rip, and run with the S&P continuing here. 8375. I just want to see here. I'm just waiting and watching, baby. Waiting and watching. I'm going to mark the 85 point. Oh, 85 is a grip away here. 85 has some room. We're going to see here. I'm going to spread this out a little bit. Give it some room. See if we can get above it. See if we can start to spike, rip, run, break out, guys. Okay, let me put my total up for you guys. So I want to put this up like right there for you guys. Want to see this thing start to really break out, rip, and run here. Don't want to see any dumperuskis here. Want to see a green gobbler. Alright, so this one was a bit of a riskier side, I guess you could say. But if we go red to green here on S&P, I got confidence in NQ. We go red to green here on S&P, I got confidence up in my boy NQ. Alright. All depends on the S&P holding these highs. Guys, I might even, I think I'm going to chill out. I'm not going to DCA. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm not DCAing. I'm going to wait. Hands are off the table. Waiting to see if ES is going to get that breakout. S&P to see if all these points can get that breakout, rip and run, baby. See if we can continue it. All right. So not going to do anything crazy. Right up and into it. Starting to get a little bit more of a breakout. There she goes, guys. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. So there we are. So chilling out, waiting and watching. ES starting to get that push. NQ, we're going to see if it wants to jump to a new level. NQ starting to get up there, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you were waiting on. This is what you were waiting for. There she goes. You want to see a spike now. You want to see it continue to spike, rip, and run, guys. It's bogging out here, guys. I might have to cut it. Starting to bog out. If it comes back up, I'll be happy about it. If it comes right back up, I might take profit very soon. Very, very quickly. Guys, I think I'm going to have to cut this one here. Not going to give up all the gains on the day for it. I feel confident that it can spike back up, but nope.
Order filled.
625. All right, I'll take it. I'll take a solid 625. All right. I know how fast NQ can move, guys. I know NQ can go boom, baby. And there goes all the gains. So market's starting to slow down a little bit now. Time's 11:30, so I mean that does make sense here. Time being 11:30, it does indeed make sense. You know, for the market to slow down just a little bit. Let's check out ICCT. ICCT, did it ever break back up? Or is it? Oh, it's starting to get there. Ladies and gentlemen, ICCT coming back up. ICCT wanting another round here, maybe. I think I'm gonna walk with the the solid 625. We'll see. If the market really makes another move that I like, maybe. But it's just kind of chop city. Anyone else interested in ICCT? Maybe to the short side. Let's see. Let me see. Look at that. S&P still pushing these highs, guys. Oh, It makes me want to get in, but I feel like it's just not a good move. You know what I mean? Anyone else feel like that? It's just not a good move. We have up to 8.5. We hit right a couple of cents below it. I'm pretty sure even the book map says it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta wait. Hold on, guys. I'm waiting. Grambo, that's a perfect spot. Ladies and gentlemen, that is crazy. That is super crazy right there. That is super heavy. Yeah. All right, I'm waiting for the 8.5 spot to break. Even up to 8.6 might be good. If that breaks, guys, it's gonna go crazy. I wonder if that's the 447 technically for S&P. Yeah, that's gonna be wild, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm waiting and watching. Up 625, up $40 on options, up about 127 on trade the poll. 112, excuse me, 112, not 127, 112. We're seeing wait and watch here. Chilling. Waiting and watching, guys. Hopefully you guys are feeling the same way. Hopefully you guys are killing the market. Hopefully you guys are loving this. Loving it, baby. Chilling out. So, game plan. Wait and watch to see if the 8.5 level comes into play. Wait and watch to see what the S&P wants to do here. Potential dip buy right here. Oh man, I don't want to start getting 4C here on NQ and ES. It's not a bad dip buy right on the trend line. It's not bad. I'm not against it. Most you could be risking is maybe about $3. So about what, a couple bucks, nothing crazy. You have the chance to make about 10 to 20 off the rip to the top side. So it's not a bad idea. I see this coming back up here. If we break 8.5, I'm going to be looking at it a little bit more here. So it's not a bad dip buy opportunity right there. I'm not against it. Okay, ES, NQ. I might even take it with ES instead of NQ. I don't like trading ES as much, but I mean, there's just so much resistance. Yeah, you guys see, I don't have like anything in this account. So I just want you guys to know that. This is mainly just for charge. I have like $3. This used to be my DGen account, but I just kind of pulled all the money out. Okay, spiking now, ladies and gentlemen. Here it goes, right up and in through 85. We're going to see, can it hold above 85? Can it hold above 85 and continue here? Breaking 447, so that is a 447 level. If it holds above 447, ladies and gentlemen, I think NQ is going to go as well. Very tight resistance, excuse me there. Very, very tight resistance. Like I said, this one's just for charts. Waiting and watching. Seeing if we push back up there. Waiting and watching. All right. I want to see this break here on NVIDIA as well. Starting to push again here on NQES and S&P. All three correlating right now, waiting on that break. Book map for the win, 100%. 100%. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I think I'm going to get in.
Order
Guys,
filled.
I'm in right now for that break to the top side, guys. I want to see this thing continue to rip, run, and break out. I want to bring up my call spaces over here for you guys. There we go. I want to see this thing continue to rip, run, and break out here on the S&P, ES, and NQ. Starting to get a little bit higher there on ES, NQ. I think we can. We broke through that tough resistance there. Broke that wall down completely just crapped on it. I think we get it now. I think we get it now, guys. I really do. I think we can spike, rip, run, break out if we can hold. If we hold above that point there. Coming right back up, ladies and gentlemen. No DCA for me. Waiting and watching for a red to green here on NQ, seeing if we can get that spike, rip, and run. Okay? I want to see the S&P hold 447 and continue to break out, rip, and run, guys. So close, guys. I almost want a DCA. I almost want to so bad.
Order
guys,
filled.
I'm in 2 contracts here. I feel like this is the best bet for that breakout, rip, and run, guys. You guys with me on that? You guys with me? Just waiting and watching here. Let's see that green come into play here on S&P. If the green comes into play on S&P, I feel like NQ can spike. Throwing away some gains on the day, if not, though. Throwing away some gains, if not. Holding out here. There we go. Starting to get it, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get it. We're getting right up into it, guys. We're getting right up into it. Let me bring this up. I want to bring this up for you guys so you guys can see exactly where I'm at on the day. Exactly what we're thinking. We're so close. S&P continuing to break out. It's going to push NQ to the highs. It's going to push NQ through the highs, ladies and gentlemen. That's the game plan. You want to see NQ get up to, 39. I mean, excuse me, 59, 60. You want to see the S&P continue to break out, rip and run, pushing NQ higher. Same with ES. It's so close, guys. It was so close there, guys. I think I'm just going to do something like that. Really close, really tight. Red to green is what I'm looking on. Red to green, literally looking for like $1. Not even less than $1. Looking for like 50 cents to come into play there.
Order filled.
Boom, and in and out, guys. Sorry, why did I take it? I just didn't trust it. I know right now I could be holding it, but I did not have faith. And you always want to get out for that break even, baby, if you can. Oh, maybe I should have had some faith, ladies and gentlemen. There she goes, guys. There she goes. All right, I'm looking at NVIDIA as well. Woo! All right, 655 on the day is not bad, okay? I think that's enough, enough mumbo jumbo. 655, don't want to throw away gains on the day. 4490, 4490 is next resistance spot. Is the next resistance point. I feel like I should just trade it with ES instead, you know what I mean? ES is more volatile, though. Look at it, though. It's matching up perfectly. Oh, man. I want to wait for that next minute candle. I want to wait. I'm not getting filled. You guys almost had me there. You guys almost had me. Waiting to see what happens here. If it just goes red to green, you guys are good. 4490 is going to be tough resistance there. So we got to wait to watch to see. Yup, 4490 is the next one. 4490, next resistance. Next little point date, though, there. Next little point. There we go. Oh, man, baby.
Order filled.
I'm in long here, one. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see the breakout rip and run on the S&P. ES starting to get up there as well, guys. ES starting to get up there as well. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Right up to 90. We're waiting. We're waiting and watching, guys. We're waiting and watching. Hands are off the table. Seeing if it can break 90. Seeing if it can break 90. 25 cents off it. Guys.
Order filled.
I locked it up. I locked it up. I locked it up. I know it can break 90. I know it can break 90. Oh, there it goes. Breaking 90. Guys, ladies and gentlemen. Just took 10 minis for 3 points, Grambo. How much you make on that? How much you make on that, Grambo? Grambo's like $7.55. I thought I had that for lunch. He's like, I paid that. That's how much my dinner was last night. Grambo said, I didn't know we were playing, with, baby money. I didn't know we were a bunch of kids around here. What are we playing with? Guys, come on, let's be serious for a minute. Alright. Grambo said, yeah, I'm up about, 1,500. There you go. 3 points. Good stuff, Grambo. Grambo the Mambo, baby. Loving it, loving it, loving it, guys. So, there we go on the day, ladies and gentlemen. Still pushing these highs, still has room to go. Oh, man, guys, I love it. I love to see it. I love to see everything. So, 755 on that. I almost wanted to take some, with Trade the Poll, I almost wanted to take some S&P longs, but I just can't trust it. I can't trust S&P. I mean, I could, I guess, if I really thought about it. It's really not bad. With the F, really? Really what, Dart Trader? 1,500 for him? Yeah, man, 3 points. 10 minis, 3 points, yup. Because don't you make on each 1 point, if you're holding one contract, don't you make $100 or something like that? You make something like that. So, Buddy is chilling. I think I am now at I think this is a new high. I think so. Look at it coming back. S&P probably wants some more here. What's next resistance here on ES if we have one? Next resistance, there's still a wall there at 90. It kind of broke through by 50 cents, but if we break through, I think we're really going to spike, rip, and run. I took my profit. I like where my TP was. I think that was a good spot. I think 447.50. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, oh my goodness. I almost want to...
Order filled.
Why'd I get in once more? I'm just waiting and watching for this breakout rip and run, guys. Waiting and watching for this breakout rip and run on ES. Just want to see how high we can go. We're pushing those highs again on S&P. Right at it, looking for maybe...
Order submitted.
Oh, wait, I'm in on 2? Oh, wait, I'm in on 2, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not trying to get 2 here.
Order canceled. Order
Give
submitted.
me 2 5 cents. I think S&P can rip run, break again to the top side there. Get like 2 5 cents for me. I'll be out. I'll be out. Last trade of the day there. Pushing it. It could probably spike even higher.
Order
than that.
filled.
There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right, guys. Am I done? 780. All right. I thought I got in on 1. That's why. Guys, anytime something I'm not sure of happens, something I didn't mean to do happens, 10 minis, you wild? Yeah, Grambo. Grambo's a wild man. Woo! He's a wild man. All right, he don't play games. All right, Grambo, you got it down, baby. He knows what he's doing. Guys, what is the S&P doing today, ladies and gentlemen? Are we trying to fill a gap to the top side? Is that what it is? Is that what you guys think is happening? Are we trying to fill a gap that I don't know about right now? I'm not taking a look at to the top side. Look at that, guys. It is still going. 442, 449275 next level on ES. 449275, 9275. Yeah, we're right up there. Right up there. A little bit of resistance there. I see it. There's no, it doesn't show any more massive walls on the resistance, on any resistance here on the book map. So there's not much resistance here coming up and into it. You guys see what I'm saying? See? Oh, maybe up to 4,500. So we got another like $8 move before that can actually happen. We should have a pullback here to pick up some liquidity. Yup. I should take some lessons from Grandma so I stop blowing props. That's probably the best idea. I mean, no, I'm kidding. Not just like taking lessons from him, but just, I mean, get a lesson in general. Maybe that's why you're here. So, I mean, 4497 or 450. Yup, at this point. Yeah, I see 450 up there. We're a little far away. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, NVIDIA. Guys, it makes me want to enter longs, man. Just scalp the crap out of it long side. I mean, we're too overextended now for me to get in long. You know, that'd be me jumping in, just randomly guessing. But I feel like we have a gap to fill now, guys, all the way up. All the way up, guys. Maybe at the $47 break. Maybe I'll do a quick scalp on options. $47 break right there, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see this continue. Right there it was. Maybe get in on a little bit of a pullback. S&P does not seem to want to stop here. I want to see a little bit of a pullback here for me to be able to get filled on that'll be NVIDIA. All right, guys.
Order partially
Getting filled
filled.
long there to see what happens. See
Order
what we
filled.
can do, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes to the top side, guys. I want to see that rip, run, and break above 07. Starting to hold above 87. That's what I'm looking for, guys. So options, I think theta eats us up a little bit. But we're going to see. Look at the S&P, ladies and gentlemen. It is going crazy. All right, NVIDIA has a gap to fill all the way up to 500, I think. So if you can push 11, break it, I think we got some room to go. These contracts are up $86 today. $86 a contract right now. Pushing that high a day. Look at NQ, guys. This is going crazy. This is going crazy. Buying in at the highs is always a bit risky. I was looking to scalp it, but for some reason, these contracts aren't moving at all. Probably because NVIDIA's not moving a crazy bit from where I was in at. Try to get a little dip by there, but let's see if we get some red to green here on NVIDIA. Let's see if we get some red to green on the S&P. A little bit of spiking Momo. I think NVIDIA holding up rather well. I think it wants more. At least up to 488, 489. So we're going to see. What is it? Again, that is looking very pumpy. It's super orderly buying. NVIDIA, Tesla ripping. Yup. You got it right there, Torn. I've blown plenty of props. Yesterday, I went DGen and traded 27 minutes on a 250K prop account and blew it $337.5 a tick. Get your heart pumping, whether it's real money or not. 100%, because technically you're paying for the account anyways. And that's how it is. Because it's either, I mean, and you can really just do that. it's either you're gonna make that or you're gonna lose it. And if you make it, bada bing, bada boom. If you lose it, oh well. Especially if you get it on a discount, on one of those discount things, the 80 to 90% discounts, man. Oh. Guys, S&P is still going here, guys. We're now up to 94. Our next resistance is gonna be all the way up to 500 or 48. Nah, 47. 47, Torn said. I believe it. I think we get another rip here on NVIDIA as well, guys. I'm seeing 90, potentially right around 94 starting to play out. Right around 90, 95 it says. Had that little pop up. Showing a little bit of resistance. If we get some red to green here on NVIDIA, we're going to go, guys. Chilling. Yeah, guys. I mean, I've blown plenty of plenty of accounts too. I meant to say that, dude. I mean, the Tick Trader, bro. I blew that account. I blew plenty. Like you said, look at that. I lost the. You guys were here for me with that when I lost the what is it called? Take Profit Trader account. I lost the Take Profit Trader account because of some dumb stuff. So you're gonna, and it's literally statistically proven. There's like an actual stat showing that most traders blow their first account. Even amazing traders blow their first account. I'm talking Wall Street traders blow it because they're not used to it. It's something new. It's something you're not used to, and that's not really good. I like change. Don't get me wrong. What I don't like change about is I don't like change in the market. If the market is doing really well, why would I want it to change? Don't fix what ain't broken, right? But then when the economy starts to change up, the market will start to change up a little bit, right? So you can't, I don't know, man. It's one of those things. I'm looking for NVIDIA to break this 12 point and just start to really spike, rip, and run. Get a little bit of pump and ruski. Getting there, man. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. It is right there at that wall. It is right there at that wall. What's this high? 10? Okay, 2 pennies off it. We're going to see. Retesting that 442975. Yep. Right, getting up right near it. I think NVIDIA can do it here. If it can pump just like 10 cents. Next level 44646. 4496. Only time I was pissed was a week ago or so when I was 25 away from my 250k account to be funded and I screwed a poach. Ah, that is, man. And that hurts, bro. That always sucks. You're like, gosh, dang it, bro. You're like, dang it, man. Like, why? So we're so close here on NVIDIA. I know we can break it to the top side. Look at that. Let's see if we get red to green here on NVIDIA and spike above 12. If I had a book map for NVIDIA, I know this 12 point is loaded right now. I'm going to place one like right at 11 and adjust it accordingly. We're seeing here, waiting and watching. I would love to see that pop back up here, spike above 12, guys. If S&P spikes, I feel like NVIDIA is going to do the same. I feel like if S&P spikes, NVIDIA is going to do the same, guys. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be good. NVIDIA above 12. I just want to see what happens above 12. I want to see if it can really get that pump. Haven't really been using the level 2, but I'll use it here just so we get a little view. If it spikes above 12, guys, I say we go. Hugh and I ain't so different, Grandma. We trade for a bit, and then then trade again. Yeah, for $39 you can. Yeah, you can, dude. You can just do everything. I mean, think about it. You were 2,500 away, but you were also. It's only $39, bro. So, you can always just restart. That's true. The credit party is having to start over and reset the days. You got to trade all over again. That's for sure. Mentality, man. It screws with the mentality a little bit sometimes, but you just gotta keep going, keep banging it out until boom, baby. You see these guys that are like 20 years old making like hundreds of thousands of dollars just from the market because they found a good strategy. So, we'll see.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. It's like here we go again. Got to trade another. Yeah, it happens. Yeah. Thank you, Mike. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, it's just realistic. You know what I mean? And I always think about it like, listen, if you just learn the strategies they learn, you're literally not doing anything different. You know what I mean? It's just, you just gotta learn the mentality. So it's like if you were to hang out with a millionaire trader, a trader that makes millions a year, you would eventually start to make at least 100,000, right? If a trader makes $1 million, $2 million, $5 million a year, you'd make at least, you know, 50,000. You'd be profitable at least, right? Make at least $1 a day, right? Why? Because if they're teaching you their strategy, there's nothing you can do but learn. There's nothing you can do but learn it. So it's all about that strategy, baby. YB, the evaluation is to make that $1,500 profit or $3,000 that they ask. Whatever your account is, there's certain regulations and rules. But yeah, essentially that's it. And you know, so looking to see if this is a little dip buy here on NVIDIA. I was in right up here. I might get a little dip buy here as I've seen this continue all day. But this could be it. This could be the pullback. Could be the pullback of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Give me 1 second as I wait and watch here on NVIDIA. See if I can DCA in somewhere. Let me see a dip buy here on S&P. I want to see that next candle form in 6 seconds. Nope, right on it, guys. Still going, guys. Right there's that 50. Guys, I might load up on 5 more here.
Order partially
In
filled.
10 contracts just to see
Order filled.
if we'll get that spike, rip, and run now, guys. So filled up here, filled up here. I think my average would be right around 60, 8.6. So want to see if we can get that spike, rip, run back to the top side and break out on NVIDIA here. You know, so just waiting and watching now, guys. Waiting and watching. I think we do. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a great play. Everyone's gonna be happy. We're all gonna be profitable. All right, I'm gonna get that driver in full today, baby. It's gonna be an amazing one. I'm gonna drive over to get that driver. Go get my clubs. Play some golf. Get it going. Yeah, buddy. So waiting and watching now on NVIDIA. I know NVIDIA can play out. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna let it play out. Woo. Thank you, team. Yeah, buddy. Got you, Mike. Anytime, brother. Anytime. Well, we got you over here at tradecaster.com, baby. Yeah, it depends on the size of your account. Yup. 15. Throw it out. Take it. Yup. So, fun. Beautiful trend line that is holding well and extremely bullish. As long as we are above the purple line, you should not be puts. Yeah, buddy. I'm with you there, Deck. I'm with you there. 87.12. Looking for that to come back into play if it can. Respect some trend lines here on NVIDIA. 50 days is going to be the stop, ladies and gentlemen. Don't want to give up too much here. Don't want to let it run too much here. I want to see S&P spike, pulling NVIDIA up maybe. Now, as much as NVIDIA is its own monster, I know it can get a bounce. It did bounce earlier. Nice bounce there. We're going to see. For some reason, I almost want to get filled on 5 more, guys. Just keep DCAing in on this, you know. And, you know, I think eventually we're going to get that reversal spike, rip, and run to the top side here. Now, if not, the stop loss would be, I don't want to do that. I think I'm going to leave it at 10. Not a bad play to buy in on 5 more, but, guys, I might do it.
Order partially
I'm in
filled.
on 15 contracts to the top
Order
side.
filled.
I want to see this spike, rip, and run now, guys. I want to see this really get that pump all the way back up to 4 for 87, 12. And see if we can break out, go up to 488, 489 levels. See if we can get that spike, rip, and run all the way back up to 487. See if we can get that spike, rip, and run back all the way to 487, ladies and gentlemen. So, now we're waiting and watching. Ladies and gentlemen. I have confidence that this thing can get back above, can spike, rip, and run all the way back up to 487. We had that nice big spike there on the S&P. Let's see if we can continue to ripping running here on NVIDIA. Let's see here on NVIDIA if we can get a big spike all the way back up to 487, baby, and start to break out to the top side here. So you want some red to green here, all the way back up to 487, ladies and gentlemen. So that's the game plan here. That is the complete and utter game plan here. So waiting and watching, guys. I think it can get right back up to 487. Continue to spike, rip, and run, make a new high day, and keep it going. we're gonna wait, watch, and see here. If it goes red to green here, red to green, the confidence levels spiking up, making me feel a lot better here. I want to see if S&P can get that spike as well. I want that red to green here, ladies and gentlemen. Red to green spike back up to the top side. Hopefully S&P not affecting it. I want to see that happen, guys. That's the game plan here. All right, so drawdown is taken from the highest account balance. Yeah, buddy. More drop here. I'm hoping not. I hope we get that spike back up. I think if we go red to green here on the S&P, I think Nvidia is going to get that red to green here above 486. 486 will be the spot that you want to break above. And then you want to see a rip, run, and breakout, baby. So 486. 15 contracts to the long side is what I'm in right now. 15 contracts to the top side, guys. Red to green is what I like. I like the red to green. I like that we're holding the trend line. I want to see it go red to green here and spike, rip, and run above 486 if it can. Above 486, I think we're going to get a break all the way up to 47. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have yet to be above 46, so... Yeah, buddy. All right, we're going to play catch-up here on NVIDIA to catch up with that S&P break. Let's play some catch-up here on NVIDIA to catch up with that S&P break to the top side, huh? All the way back up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, breaking 486. Now we have to hold 486 break and start to spike the 487, guys. That's the game plan. Holding the 486 break, spike the 487. That's the game plan, ladies and gentlemen. Get that green to spike all the way back up to 70s, 80s, 90s. And let it keep going with S&P spiking. It's going to help it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're all on the same game plan here, on the same page. Woo! You want to see that green hold up. You want to see that green hold up. Red to green here, back above 486, and you want to see that green hold up. All right, so that's where we're at, guys. I want to see a spike, rip, and run, baby. If the S&P can do it, it's going to do it here. If not, guys, it's gonna I'm going to have to cut it near that 50. But if it can get above it, get above that 46 mark, it's going to do it here. Want that red to green here, above 46, ladies and gentlemen. That is the point of hand. Seeing that red to green come into play here. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's what I was looking for. I love it. I love seeing it. Let's see if we can break out and above it, ladies and gentlemen. Really sitting here on NVIDIA. S&P looks like it wants to go from red to green here. Break above 447.80. See what happens here on NVIDIA. I want to see NVIDIA hold these highs here. Maybe get a little bit higher here. Next candle forms, breaks out. So we got 5 seconds. I want to see it hold these highs. Next candle form, break out and above, ladies and gentlemen. Next candle form, break out and above, ladies and gentlemen. That's the game plan here. See the red to green on this candle. I'll be a happy camper. I'll be a real happy camper, ladies and gentlemen. Red to green, I can see it breaking out and above, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to lie to you. I can see it breaking out and above 46 to the new highs. Okay, the high's at 487.12. I say we get back and above there, we're good. See that little tight wedge there? If we get up and back above 46, guys, I think we're breaking out, ripping, and running. Truly. Yeah, I genuinely, yeah, I got a feeling, man. I got a feeling we can. All right, I got a good feeling we can. We need some red to green. It's holding up well. It's trying to hold it up the best it can. I want to see it back above 60. There it goes. Starting to get a little bit of a pump here. See it break that trend line, the old trend line. Let's see. Let's see if it breaks that. Breaks 486. That would have been old resistance. Now breaking above. Ladies and gentlemen, here's that pump I was looking for now, guys. Now you want to see it continue this and go all the way back up to 47. Has to break this high here. High of 15. High of 15. Has to break 15. Let's see. If it can break 15, you're good. You want to see S&P continue to spike as well, though. That'll help it out. Seconds left. If we can get back up there to 16, 15s, 15, 16, break that by a little bit. Next candle form, boom, rip run, baby. All right, so just telling you guys the game plan in my head. Telling you guys the exact game plan up in my head. All right, there's that next candle. I want to see red to green spike above 15. Spike above 46.15. We're still more bullish than bearish here, guys. Woo. Sorry, guys. I get a little crazy. Great, there are options. Then. Oh, great. They have options then. There. They don't have options on Apex. They don't have options on the futures there, Mike. They have options on, I mean, I don't know a prop firm with options right now. Guys, we're starting to break 46.15, but I don't know a prop firm with options right now. I can take a look. I did a prop firm lesson a while back. Yeah, I mean, as long as, you know, option-wise, you know, you're already getting blessed a little bit there. Why the cheap contracts. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, starting to get that spike. That's what we're looking for here. So yeah, I'll take a look to see if we have any prop firm options accounts. Red to green here on NVIDIA is what I'm looking for. A back above 12, guys. Back above 12. Yes, prop C options is high risk. That's what I was thinking. So we want to see this go red to green spike all the way up to 487, guys. We want to see red to green here on the S&P as well. Get above this is what I'm seeing here, this little line. Hey, you have room to go still on it. Oh, I want to see that red to green, guys. We were so close. We were so close. We were so close. Waiting and watching. Seeing if we can get back above 46. Starting to push 46 again, guys. We're making the higher lows, though. That's what I'd love to see. If we get that red to go all the way up a little bit more, maybe come up to the 15 again. I think we can get a breakout, guys. I don't know. I got a little bit of faith in the S&P. I got a little bit of faith in NVIDIA. NVIDIA been spiking, ripping, and running all day to the top side, having its massive momentum, having its massive climbing, ripping, running. You know, feeling great, feeling awesome about it, feeling like a big old champion, feeling like a champ of all champs. All right, so at 46.46, I want to see where we're at up here at the 4-1 levels. Now that we're breaking those highs, see red to green here, up back to the 4-1 levels. All right, we're getting red to green there on the S&P, red to green on NVIDIA. We want to see, okay? So you're gonna want it to come in here, come in play, come right back up. You don't want to risk too much. You know, our RR ratio should be pretty clean here. Okay, so waiting and watching, guys. Let's have a little faith. Let's have a little amazingness. Getting a little awesome here. S&P getting a little awesome. You gotta love it. You gotta love the S&P. You gotta love NVIDIA a little bit. All right, guys. All right, guys. You guys love NVIDIA. You guys like NVIDIA a little bit. Let's see some red to green here. Do you guys like NVIDIA here? Am I crazy? Is NVIDIA like a little bit too ugly for you guys? Let's see. NVIDIA's a cute stock. NVIDIA, you'd be a lot cuter up at 48 though. You'd be a lot more attractive, a lot cuter up at 48. Not gonna lie. 48 looks to be your level. All right, if we get some red to green on NVIDIA, back above 486, 4-1. I'm going with 4-1. I just want to see it come into play there. Starting to go from red to green here. I just want to see it come into play here and see if we can break up to 47. 87, excuse me, 87. 87, maybe 547. So we've seen 20 flash there. We've seen 20 flash, 18, getting up there. I want to see it come right back into play above. See it come right back into play above and out. Waiting on this play here. See if we get some red to green here. Spike above 41, baby. 19. Let's see if we can see like 20. A little bit of red. I want to see the green coming on S&P as well to help it out. You know, I might lessen a few contracts if we get there. But we're holding this little downtrend here. It would have to break to the top side, guys. I feel like this is the triangle pattern holding up right now. I want to see red to green. We're going to remove this one as I don't think that's very valid anymore. I don't even know if this is very valid anymore, the 46 point. I would love to see it above this high right there. Above that little downtrend, making those lower highs break out, making the higher low pattern start to kick in and really get that rip and run, guys. So that's what we're looking at here. Don't want to overanalyze it. but we're looking for some red to green, back and above, ladies and gentlemen. Sitting right around break even, okay? If you guys are wondering where I'm at, right around break even, 100% honest with you guys on it. I want to see the green. So it's chilling out right now. Looking for 46.30. Starting to break out a little bit above that trend line. Want to see if it can hold above it. S&P breaking above it. I didn't even see that. S&P breaking above its trend line. S&P has to hold though. S&P right there. If it goes red to green, you're good. I want to see red. Woo. Nice. Yep. There we go, guys. So, got all these traders in here helping each other out. I love to see it, guys. Love to see you guys over here every day. You know, no matter when you, what time you come over or whatnot. Love to see you guys over here. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. So, getting a little bit of an NVIDIA play here. I want to see it break out if it can. That'd be awesome. Get a little bit of a rip run breakout. Are we on the next candle? Yep. Any red to green movement will be great. I'm going to extend that to the right there, as it does have some room to go. Any red to green movement would be great, though. If it breaks this trend line, we're going, guys. I'm putting it out there. I'm putting it out there. I'll put it in the air. All right. I put my money where my mouth is as well. I'm in 15 contracts right now. All right. But if we break that trend line to the top side, I think we're going to go. Right? If we go red, go here green, we're right on it. If we go red to green here, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go. Maybe it just needs a little bit of hype, a little bit of momentum, a little bit of action, NVIDIA. Is that what you want? I want the S&P to spike here. We're now above this trend line here on the S&P. So I think the S&P can spike here. If it breaks 47.80, let's see what's going on the book map. I don't know. There's just too much going on. What's going on the book map? All right, why are we chopping right now, bro? Why are we chopping so much, bro? Okay. Give me some red to green. Okay, there's that green move. I need to see it above the trend line. If it can spike, rip, and run above it, we're good. All right, I think the trend line's moved over a little bit here now in the S&P. I need to see it above it, guys. If it breaks the 50, I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. 15 contracts, I'm out. I'm out. I got to cut it. Touch of the 50 right there. Could bounce here. I'm out if it can't. I'm out if it can't. I will not let it go below. I like where it's at. If it goes red to green here, spikes back up, gives me a big lower shadow, I'm good. S&P would have to spike for that to happen, though. S&P has to spike here. We're now in... Guys, I'm out. Guys, I'm cutting it. Guys, I'm out.
Order cancelled.
Guys, I'm out.
Order cancelled.
Guys, I'm out. Guys, I'm out.
Order cancelled.
Hey, guys, I'm out of this play.
Order
Like,
partially
bro.
filled.
Oh, my goodness, bro.
Order filled.
I cannot stand when it does that shit. Woo! All right, guys, we're still good on the day. We're still punching in trades. We're still locking in gains, baby. We're still being profitable. All right, so we're still being more profitable than ever. All right, guys. So we're chilling out, guys. What happened? Why did that play not work out? Chop. We're in chop. And you guys know me. What do I hate more than literally, chicken on Chipotle? Chop. I cannot stand chop. When we start to get in this momentum, okay, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Are we going to go up or are we going to go down? Are we going to go up? Nope. I entered in for the breakout of 12. Boom. Got in. DC8 in here. DC8 in here. Got up right around break even, right around here. Now we're riding a trend line to the downside, breaking that 50-day. Guys, no more confidence is in me. I have zero more confidence in this trade, so I got out. That's why. I go solely based off confidence levels and what I feel like is right, what I feel like is right to trade. Now, with that said, I'm still up $780 on futures. Now, with that said, I'm down 155 on options. All right, I'll be honest. All right, I'm being honest. All right, but trade the pull, I'm still up 112. So. Yup. Meta reversal at that 50-day MA high. Okay, so what is it? Is it just NQ that's screwing me in my butt then? Let's go Meta. What's going on with Meta? Look at that. Look at that. Potential bounce play right off that 50-day, ladies and gentlemen. Do you guys agree? Do you guys agree? I've never seen anything more perfect. Honestly, my only fear is that we get in the chop. If I get in this, and my only fear is that we chop. Okay, guys? You guys agree? What's more scary than Chipotle with chicken? Chop. Gonna get in 5 contracts here. Mink.
Order partially
Why am I
filled.
getting in? Perfect call out there,
Order
deck.
filled.
50-day touch. I love these. And now if it breaks, if we go down to 45, I'm out. See that? Look at that. Starting to touch it again. It's because we're in S&P chop here. Now, why am I entering in? Just for the chance of reversal here. Oh my goodness. These contracts are super volatile, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen. Dang, down 5% off the rip. Down 5% off the rip. Down 5% off. Meta don't play. I should have looked at the IV. Yeah, IV is crazy on these guys. These Friday expirations, IV is crazy. I would need a green play back up to like 297 to probably be break even. Oh my goodness, dude. That's crazy volatile. Yep, 297 is what I need, and then I would need, just some ripping and running. Why am I getting in? Well, S&P is also not a bad play to get in here on futures-wise, actually. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting those breakouts now. We're getting those breakout rip and runs. This is what I was looking for, guys. Now we're getting those breakout rip and runs. 50-day EMA touch there on Meta. Looking for this breakout rip and run. Right there it is on ES. Right here it is on NQ. Right there it is on S&P. Want to see this hold up, though. That's the main thing. Want to see those hold up. Meta can continue to go here. Meta can really rip. I want to see ES, NQ, S&P hold up. S&P, I'm sick and tired of your chop, bro. All right? Spike for me, bro. Anyone else agree? Anyone else sick and tired of S&P's stuff? I'm not gonna take this anymore. I'm standing up for myself, S&P. All right, I'm standing up for myself, guys. S&P, start to spike on me so Meta can continue to rip and run like this, and then I can get in maybe some NQ calls. All right, so chilling out, up about 12% now on Meta. Amazing, 13%. Shout out to Deck himself for the little update there. That's an amazing play right off that 50, guys. So looking for the red to come up here. Looking for a red to green here. Excuse me, red to green there. So Meta can continue to rip and run. Not that I don't think it can already. It's its own monster, its own beast. But, I'm looking for some NQ here. All right, it'll help me with confirmation. Make me feel make me feel good about myself, okay? Right? 15% here, ladies and gentlemen. 15% here, guys. High of days all the way up to 98.43, guys. We haven't even entered into 98 yet. So we're going to see. All right, S&P, get back above. S&P, man. You're playing with people's emotions here. I need to see, give me green here. Okay, red to green here. Stop playing. Get back above 83. I know. Guys, I'll explain it how it is. The S&P's a prankster. The S&P's a big jokester sometimes. S&P likes to joke around with us. Show us like, just got you guys. Yep, got you guys there. I'm kidding. No, I'm going up, guys. Don't worry about it. All right, so there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see it touch that high day now? You want to see Meta continue to rip and run back into now 98 and then spike into that new high a day, baby. It's going to be hard with the way the S&P is not doing. Mostly watching, made most of my trades this morning. Would love to get a reversal, but not seeing it yet. Yup. S&P still holding up. That's how I am. And I'm not biased one way or another. Only because I'm in this meta play. That's the only reason I would be obviously biased along. If we see red to green here on Meta, I see 298 in the future in this candle potentially. But yeah, so as long as this is holding up though, it's hard to be, to the downside. It's really hard. You can't be like, oh, hey guys, I'm looking for a downside play when S&P's breaking new high day. Hey guys, I'm looking for Meta to go down when Meta's starting to climb back to a high day. Right? So I'm looking for some red to green here. Might TP a little bit here in 5 contracts. Potentially here. If it goes back to a little bit, I just don't want lower highs to form. I want to see that higher low break. I know how these work. I want to see that red go to green. Okay, that red goes to green. I feel a lot more better. A lot more better? A lot more confident. There you go. Those are the words. I'm gonna need that green to come in here. I need that green. Selling out of some.
Order cancelled.
Selling out of some.
Order partially filled.
Holding 3 contracts.
Order filled.
See what we get here. If we get that green to come in, guys, I might keep it. Okay, guys, hold on. Selling the rest.
Order cancelled.
Guys, I'm selling the rest right now. Guys,
Order
I'm
cancelled.
selling the rest right now.
Order filled.
I got no words. I got no words sometimes for this. Like, it just does not fill me. All right, so great. Good job. Thank you, Deck, for that call out. Amazing call out. Why'd I get in? What made me get in? Is it just because Deck said so? No. No, what made me get in? Okay, listen, guys. Look at this. We have 1 touch of that 50, 2 touch of that 50, 3 touch of that 50, 4 touch of that 50. Could not get below the 50 all day. Coming up to it, finally touch it. It's I should have loaded up 10 times more, because there is no chance it's gonna just dump through it unless the S&P is selling off crazy hard. Now, if the S&P comes down to the 50, I might even take that one, guys. I don't think if it comes down to the 50, it's really gonna break, unless. Now, I won't take it heavy unless the momentum on the day is very much switching up, and then bada bing, bada boom. But, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to call it 12 o'clock in this market, guys. Listen, we just made another banger trade. Woo! Listen, here's how we're going to work it. I will be back here at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we're going to be printing. Tomorrow's Wednesday, correct? It's not Wednesday already? Yup, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me, if you guys have just loved this market, if you guys, you guys have just been chilling out, maybe you guys haven't been trading too much, just killing the market, baby. Hit me with a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy! Woo! So we are up 780 on the day on futures, down about $70 on options, and up about 112 on essentially penny stocks and shares on Trade the Poll, ladies and gentlemen. So like I said, hopefully you guys have enjoyed, loved, and just been killing this market with me. Woo! I love to hear it. Let's wait for this ad to end, and if you guys have any questions really fast, make sure to ask them, and I'll answer any you have, okay? So waiting for these ads to end about PetSmart, Petco, whatever it would be. There we go. Another ad here about Old Spice, guys. There's not enough ads I can get. I can't get rid of them. I gotta get premium. Gotta get premium up here. Another ad here, guys. I've never had 4 ads in a row. This is a crazy day for me. Things are changing up a little bit. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys are killing this market, guys. I will see you all here 10 a.m. EST tomorrow, baby. Woo! Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, baby. See you guys. Catch you tomorrow, baby. Peace!